Here you see process example. So I'm opening it. First I'll try to open the notepad process. So I'm just clicking the start button here. Once I click start button, you see a notepad application is started. So this is started as a process. So next in C root temp directory, I'm going to open sample.txt. So this is the content of the document, and let's see how do we open this and by using process. So first I'm copying this directory. So here I specified a path to this document. Now when I click start, this text document will be passed as argument to that process. So I'm clicking start, and if you see, the notepad process opened, and while opening the process opened the corresponding document also, because we called the process by passing the argument as document name by specifying the fully qualified path. That means a ctemp sample doc.txt that we passed as a argument, and when process opened, it used that argument to open the corresponding document in it. Okay, this first part of the sample shown you how we can open a process and how do we pass parameter to the process. Now in the next part I will show how do you start your own process. Here I created a batch file. I'll just show that batch file. You see, this is the batch file, and the content of batch file is simple. Actually it performs a copy. So it copies a file from one directory to another directory. So this batch file first moves you to C root. First assigns a drive letter. That means if you are in a different partition, it moves to C partition, then moves to C root. After that, it performs copy from source to destination. This %1 and %2 specifies that this batch file actually expects a parameter. From MS-DOS, if you execute this copy, you have to use it like a copy. Then you should specify the source which file from the directory you want to copy. You can copy multiple files also, and this is destination to what directory you want to make a copy. So let's start this as a process by using our sample application. Okay, here we will take same. I'll try to copy this vdrv.exe from ctemp to d drive tmp. This is empty now. So once again I am copying the path. We are going to make a copy vdrv. Okay, the destination is So now I'm starting the process. If I click start, um, to start the, it will start the uh, copy batch by passing this one as the first parameter and this one as the second parameter. So the first path will be substituted for a %1 and second path will be substituted for %2. So we are starting that as a process now. So I'm clicking start and you see yeah, a window popped up, right, and that shown actually X copy is performed. And if I go to D drive TMP, I can see that VDRV is copied here. Okay, let me delete it again. So sometimes we need to make this copy silent. In the previous case, you saw a window is popped up because it's a dash command. So a console window is opened in the background and performed a copy actually. So I'll do it once again. You can see a window popped up and it performed a copy. So to avoid it, we can make a copy silent. So I'm just making a checkbox here and clicking start. And in the meantime, watch here as well. There is no background window, but at the same time, you can see a exe get copied here. Yes, sir. So we are making it happen silent. That means when this checkbox is checked, we still call the process and we set a flag in the process start infrastructure so that the background window won't appear. Okay. In some case, it will be even more useful. Mm, okay. In some case, it will be more useful when you get a notification when that particular operation got completed. That means you no need to wait for the process to complete it on this application. You can start the process or you can span the process of this copy operation and you can start continuing with the application starts. So once process finished its operation, that means the copy operation, it will notify back to your application. So by handling that event, you can know when the process is completed. So here I'm placing a check mark to notify when closed, and I'm starting the process. Again, the process here is copying the VDRVXE some 150 MB file. It takes some amount of time to complete. So I'm keeping it as make silent and at the same time clicking start, and you see copy completed, and at the same time you see that the VDRV is copied here on this location. I'll do it again with make silent removed. So once that copy is completed, you see that message also appeared here. Okay, that's all about the process in C Sharp. You can achieve all this task. Read the article to know how we can perform this operation. The article presents the code as well as the downloadable application. Thanks for now.